Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. So it is the 27th of February 2025, and it's about midday here in London. And I just wanted to make another video about Tesla and the recent price decline. So I'm getting more and more messages from my friends and family members asking me what to do. And I don't give any financial advice or anything, so don't take this as financial advice. But this is what I'm doing at the moment. So I have around 385 shares in Tesla, and a lot of people are asking me, am I going to sell it now that the price is declining? Did I sell it when it was 488 at the all-time high? And the same thing that I'm telling everybody is I'm going to keep it no matter what. I'm going to keep it for the next 5 years. So what I wanted to do is something that I do when the price level falls down is I just do some research to find out what's happening to the stock. So what I usually do is I use a AI app like GROK 3 or ChatGPT just to ask questions to see what's happening, so I can get like an unbiased response. What I usually see on the mainstream media is like they sensationalize things. So what I want to do is I just want to ask it some questions and see what kind of responses I get. So basically what I'm doing is I'm using GROK 3 and I'm going to be asking GROK 3 some questions. So here goes. So I'm going to put this into the chat and see what happens. So it's just analyzing it. So, hey there, I assume you meant hi GROK again. Don't worry, I've got you covered. You want to talk about Tesla, right? I'm ready to dive in. As of today, February 27, 2025, Tesla's stock is sitting around $327 per share. What questions do you have about it? Fire away. So it's got the price wrong. So the price at the moment, I'm just going to check it. So the Tesla share price is sitting at $290. So I'm just gonna ask another question. So I'm gonna put this into GROK 3 and see what happens now. Okay, so that's fine. So it's recognized that. Okay, so I'm gonna ask another question now. So I'm gonna put this into GROK 3 and see what happens. Okay, so it's giving me quite a long response, so I'm gonna ask it to summarize. So sometimes it goes overboard and provides me with like a big report. I just want a few concise summaries. So Tesla's stock has dipped to 290. So this is the response from GROK 3. So Tesla's stock has dipped to 290 recently due to a weak Q4 2024 earnings report showing a declining sales and margin, a 1.1% drop in annual deliveries, and softening demand in key markets like California and Europe. Price cuts, rising competition from BYD, and Trump's tariff threats on Canada, Mexico, and China have added pressure. Musk's political stances may also be souring some buyers, amplifying the sell-off. Okay, so I know why this is happening, so I'm just going to ask. So let's see what it comes up with. So I'm just waiting for the response now. Okay, so I think it's giving me an answer now. So sometimes it takes a bit of time. It looks like it's crashed, but it's actually analyzing the data. So again, it's giving me a long report. So I'm just going to ask to summarize. Okay, so that's better. So Tesla's recent stock dip to 290, down over 25% in 2025, looks like a short-term trend driven by weak Q4 2024 earnings. So again, that's what I think as well. I think it's a short-term trend, and I think this is a great buying opportunity. So the next question I'm going to ask is, So basically, I want to know where the bottom is. So it's trading around 290, but I think it will go down to probably 270, maybe even 240. So it looks like I've reached the limit on GROK 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly go to ChatGPT. So just bear with me a second. So I'm going to ask some questions to ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. So I've been analyzing Tesla stock and it's been falling recently. I want to know what the key support levels are for Tesla stock and what price I should be loading up more of the stock. So tell me the support levels under 290 for Tesla stock. So I'm going to put this into ChatGPT and see what happens. So it's analyzing the data. So it's going to give me some images as well, I think. So as of February 27, 2025, Tesla stock is trading 290.80, having recently fallen below the critical 300 support level. So technical analysis identifies several key support levels at 290. So what I'm thinking, what it's saying is 275 is a key support level, then 265, and if 265 is broken, it's going to fall to 148 again, which is unlikely. I think it might go to 275, possibly to 265, but I don't think it's going to return to 148. So the next question I'm going to ask is the following. Is Tesla executing its plan on time? Is the plan for robo-taxis still going ahead on time? And let me know if the long-term plan is still intact for Tesla. So I just want to find out if Tesla's long-term plan is still intact, if they're executing on time, and whether this is just a short-term blip that can be used as an opportunity to buy the dip. So it's giving me again a long response. So what I normally do is I say, give me a concise answer, give me a few sentences. So I forgot to do that. But again, what I usually do is I usually read these long reports, and it usually helps me to make a decision. Okay, so thank you for the response, but can you summarize these in a couple of sentences? Be concise, please. Thank you. So I'm going to put that into the chat and see what happens. Okay, so Tesla is still executing its long-term plan with a focus on autonomy, affordability, and AI. The robo-taxi service, Cybercab, is expected to launch in Austin by mid-2025, but regulatory approvals remain a hurdle. Tesla also plans to release a $25,000 EV this year to expand its market reach while adapting to market shifts. So again, the long-term plan is still intact. I think this is just a short-term blip in the stock price. So at its all-time high, it was trading around $488, and now it's gone down to 290. So what I'm thinking is this is a great opportunity. This is a discount. You can buy it's on sale at the moment. So I'm loading up as much as I can. Hopefully I'm going to be receiving a payment tomorrow, and I'm going to be buying more shares of Tesla. So my conviction levels are still high. I know the sentiment is quite low. I know there is a lot of doom and gloom, but what I'm doing personally is I'm buying as much as I can. So if I had, about 10k right now, I would want to buy it. So again, that's the level of conviction that I have. So if anybody who wants to, do some research, use ChatGPT, use GROK 3, ask questions just, to know what's happening, just to raise your conviction levels. So again, like I said, I'm buying as much as I can. If I had more money, I would buy more Tesla shares. So that's it for now. If you enjoy these short summaries, I'm gonna start using AI more to produce content. So if you enjoy these videos, if you want to, like, suggest some prompts as well, so I'm happy to do that. I'm happy to, like, actually do the prompts for you. So leave a comment below, and also if you enjoy these videos, subscribe to my channel. I've got around 1,000 subscribers at the moment, but I'm trying to grow this to 2,000 by the end of the year. So if you want to join and subscribe to this channel, you're welcome to do so, and I'm going to be bringing you content every day. It is a little bit rusty at the moment. My equipment is a little bit rusty at the moment. My delivery is a bit rusty at the moment. But what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and improve over the next few weeks, next few months, to bring you quality content on Tesla, Nvidia, and MicroStrategy, and how I'm trying to build my portfolio to $1 million over the next 5 years. So that's it for now. I will catch you later. So have a great day. Bye.